always try to make sure that I send the correct text to the correct person, because misfired texts are terrible. 3 days into my job, in my new job, I texted my boss, and he thought I was texting my husband at the time, and completely ranted and raved in F-bomb city my frustrations with the kids missing the bus, and now I'm late for effing work, and, F this, F that, F-bomb, F-bomb. And the response I got back from him was WTF, exclamation point. Yep, I'm like, what did I just do? I explained myself. I said, I'm sorry, it wasn't meant for you, a complete long apology text, and, I guess it kind of worked. After a couple of days, he started talking to me again, so, I guess it worked out.